Have you ever wondered why some people seem to get their way more often than others? Let's dive into the world of manipulation to understand this better. Manipulation is a tactic used to sway someone's thoughts, actions, or decisions to favor another person's motive. It's a fascinating yet concerning aspect of human behavior. For instance, consider a salesperson who uses scarcity tactics to pressure you into buying a product by saying it's the last one in stock or the sale ends today. This is a classic example of manipulation. But remember, manipulation isn't always as obvious as this example. It can often be subtle and hard to detect. So how can you tell if you're being manipulated? Let's dive into some common tactics used by expert manipulators. First, we have gaslighting. This is when someone tries to make you question your own memory or perception. For instance, you might have a friend who, despite repeatedly saying hurtful things, denies ever having said them. They might even accuse you of making it all up. Like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos. Next, we have the playing the victim technique. Imagine a coworker who always seems to be in the middle of a crisis, requiring your constant attention and sympathy. They might use this to escape responsibility or to gain favor. We also have flattery. Some manipulators use compliments to lower your defenses and make you more receptive to their demands. There are many other techniques as well. Tell us in the comments if you want detailed videos on manipulation tips. Knowing these techniques can help you identify when you're being manipulated. Now, how can we protect ourselves from manipulation? One vital strategy is setting boundaries to protect your mental health. When someone tries to violate these boundaries, it's a red flag that they might be trying to manipulate you. Next, being aware of your own emotions is key. Manipulators use your feelings, making you doubt yourself or feel guilty. If you find yourself feeling confused or upset after an interaction, take a moment to reflect. Finally, don't underestimate the value of a second opinion. Trusted friends or family members can often provide a new perspective and may spot manipulation where you can't. Remember, by understanding manipulation and how it works, we can better protect ourselves and maintain our autonomy. Stay safe and stay tuned for more. Dao.